Let's see exercise 6.2. First part of question 1. If DE is parallel to BC, find EC. So we are given that DE is parallel to BC. Now by BPT theorem, AD upon DB would be equal to AE upon EC. That means 1.5 upon 3 would be equal to 1 upon EC. So we can say that EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Similarly, in the next part, we are given that DE is parallel to BC and we need to find AD. Now again, AD upon DB would be equal to AE upon EC by BPT theorem. So that would mean that AD upon 7.2 would be equal to 1.8 upon 5.4. That means AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Let's see question 2 now. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Let's see the first part now. This is what is given, which would mean that PE upon EQ would be 3.9 upon 3, which gives us 1.3. Now, PF upon FR would be 3.6 upon 2.4, which would give us 1.5. So we can see that PE upon EQ is not equal to PF upon FR, and hence EF is not parallel to QR. Second part says, this is what is given. Finding the ratio, we get PE upon EQ equal to 4 upon 4.5, which is 8 upon 9. And similarly, PF upon FR would be 8 by 9. So we can clearly see that PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. So we can say that EF is parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. Next part is, this is what is given and we'll find the ratio. But first, we need to find EQ because EQ is not given in this case, PQ is given. So EQ would be PQ minus PE. So it will be 1.28 minus 0.18, which is 1.1 centimeter. Similarly, before that, PE upon EQ would be 0.18 upon 1.1. And similarly, FR would be equal to PR minus PF. So it will be 2.56 minus 0.36. We get 2.2 centimeter. So PF upon FR would be 0.36 upon 2.2, which gives us 18 upon 11. Same as PE upon EQ. So we can clearly say that PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, which means by converse of BPT theorem, EF is parallel to QR. Let's see question 3 now. If LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. In triangle ABC, AM upon MB is equal to AL upon LC since LM is parallel to CB by BPT theorem. Similarly, in triangle ADC, AN upon ND would be equal to AL upon LC by BPT theorem again. From these two equations, AM upon MB is equal to AL upon LC and is also equal to AN upon ND. Thus, AM upon MB is equal to AN upon ND. Reversing it, we get MB upon AM is equal to ND upon AN. Now let's add 1 to both the sides. We get MB upon AM plus 1 is equal to ND upon AN plus 1. Thus we get MB plus AM upon AM is equal to ND plus AN upon AN. So AB upon AM is equal to AD upon AN. Reversing it again, AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. This is what we had to prove. Question 4. DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. In triangle ABC, since DE is parallel to AC, by using basic proportionality theorem, we get BD upon DA is equal to DE is equal to BE upon EC. In triangle BAE, DF is parallel to AE. Thus, by using BPT theorem again, we get BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE. From these two equations, we get BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE. Let's see question 5 now. DF is parallel to OQ. Sorry, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. Since DE is parallel to OQ, we get PE upon EQ equal to PD upon DO. Since DF is parallel to OR, we get PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. From these two equations, we get PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, which means EF is parallel to QR by converse of BPT theorem. Let's see question 6. A, B, and C are points on OP, OQ, and OR respectively such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. In triangle POQ, PA upon AO would be equal to QB upon BO since AB is parallel to PQ. In triangle POR, PA upon AO would be equal to RC upon CO since AC is parallel to PR. From these two equations, we get QB upon BO is equal to RC upon CO. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. Hope you've understood the chapter thoroughly now. If we have made it any simpler and more interesting for you, don't forget to give us your love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. And yes, remember to keep shining bright because you are a star. Bye bye. Have a good one.